high wind warning to BNSF 7011 east. On the Cajon sub to limit to Mount Post 72.0 at 17.0. Mount Post 80.7 at 80.7. 7th Street, wind gusts at 55.5 mph. Back down to reversal.
Female engineer, it sounds like.
Wind warning on the Cajon sub.
Awesome.
6649 west. Between limits Mount Post 72.0 at 72.0. To Mount Post 80.7 at 80.7. 7th Street. Wind gusts up to 55.5 mph. Protect those first door. You as well have Chief's permission to proceed through the wind and warning limit at 22.0 mph.
Okay, we have the Chief's permission to proceed through the high wind warning at 22.0 mph.
It's correct on the repeat.
All right, we've got high wind warnings out here, obviously, 55 miles an hour, steady. All the trades are running, but they're at reduced speed. This is a Union Pacific on the Palmdale Cutoff, the Union Pacific line on the Mojave subdivision. It's milepost 474 up there. And down below we have the BNSF tracks. It's milepost 65 down here on the Cajon subdivision. And he just spoke to it eastbound and westbound. So we got those coming our way anytime now. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. Some open box cars there. See-through. I'm definitely hearing a rear DPU back there, so let's take a look and see what we got. It's working hard, whatever it is. And we'll stay here and catch those other two trains.
Down here, Ruben, whenever you want to send it.
Get them loaded up shortly and get you some new content. need to take a couple weeks off there. Thanks for everybody being patient. Got some things readjusted in our life now, and we're in a better position to keep working for you out here. Yeah, those DPUs are pushing. Older units. Still getting it done. We've got some really good content today, so make sure you hit that notification bell. We'll be loading 1 or 2 up a day this week. That way you won't miss any of the action. Those trees there are right on top of a sump pond, S-U-M-P. It's right on the San Andreas Fault. You have rivers and streams that are flowing underground or above ground, and there'll be an earthquake, and suddenly the stream will be blocked and the water wells up to the surface, and you'll see groups of trees growing where the sump ponds are, and there's water underneath there. So that's what's going on there. That's why there's a clump of trees out in the middle of the desert. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Please give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Help us out on Patreon. We really need your help to keep going strong. Poor buddy needs some food. Oh, he's alive. All right, you guys. I'm all zoomed out here, so I couldn't get him real good. Okay. Thanks for
44 knots. 103.
Thank you for watching, and watch a couple more. We love you guys, and take care. Let's be kind. Let's be genuine to each other, and make the world a better place. Take care. Cajon Pass, Railroad fans, hope you're all doing great. Buddy, our executive producer, wants to let you know that all Super Chat, Super Thanks, channel members, and Patreon members are all now Buddy's special assistant producers. That's right. He loves you guys. You too can become one of Buddy's special assistants. Just contribute today, and you will find your name scrolled at the end of every video. All right, you guys, you know what to do. Thanks, and we'll catch you on the next one. Right, buddy? All right, take care, you guys. Love you.